Hi guys, I'm Mr. Dave, and this is the world's greatest lab partner,
Charlotte.
And today we are going to be
breaking boredom.
Yes. And today is actually Earth Day 2020. So it's officially the Earth's 50th birthday today.
No,
Happy birthday, planet. No.
The Earth is older than 50 years old.
Oh, the Earth is older than 50. Oh. It's 50 Earth days.
Yeah, there's been 50 Earth days.
Earth
But the Earth is not 50 years old.
Oh, okay. So the Earth is a little bit older, but it's the 50th Earth Day. Well, happy Earth Day. We're with the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History, and so we're going to be making seed bombs. Yeah, we're going to make some seed bombs. Now, these are very easy to do, very messy. As you can see, we did come outside because there's some mud and some stuff like that.
And since they're messy, that means they're fun.
Yes, if they're messy, they're fun. That's how that works. So, what we have for our seed bombs is we have some clay. Go ahead and show them the clay there. Now, you can buy clay powder. We're lucky enough that in our yard we have a vein of clay, of natural clay. I say lucky enough, but if you're trying to build a house or do something on that clay,
it's not very convenient.
No, it's a nightmare. But it's great to use for projects like this, for projects like our seed bombs. So these seed bombs, go ahead and grab some of that clay, start squishing it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use some clay. You want about 4 parts clay to about 1 part compost, and then about 1 part seeds and 1 part water, okay? Now, we've gotten this clay a little bit wet already. When I say 1 part, 4 parts, you don't have to be precise with this. What you wanna make is a nice mud ball that's gonna stick together. It's gonna have something to kind of help those seeds get started, and it's gonna hold your seeds in there, okay? So, Charlotte's got a little mud ball she's making so far. Show them your little clay ball there. So what you're gonna wanna do with that clay ball is you're gonna wanna mix in some soil. So let's mix in some soil with your clay ball. There you go.
I see that you're the one who's getting my hands messy and not vice versa.
Oh yes, I'm not getting messy on this one, so that's okay. All right, there you go. So really mix it, knead it in there. And then also we have some seeds. We went foraging a little bit back and got some seeds. And some of these seeds are from that little foraging trip. Here's some like little pictures from our foraging. So here's some seeds that we got. Some of them are from foraging, some of them are from friends and neighbors, some of them are wildflower seeds. We have a whole lot of different kinds of seeds here. So we're gonna mix those into our little seed bomb. There you go, mix those seeds in there. And you wanna squish them in there, really squish them in there. I'm gonna give you some water, nice clean water right here for those nice dirty hands. There you go. Now really squish those seeds in there. So you're gonna really wanna squish those seeds in. And what we have is this is actually a form of biomimicry, okay? Biomimicry is where science or engineering will mimic something you find in nature and use it for, engineering or whatever. Now this may not look like an animal. Can you show them that? Does it look like an animal? Not really, okay? But this is actually some excellent biomimicry because it looks exactly like what the animal leaves behind. It looks
poo.
You can't say poo on the internet. I said it! Anyway, yeah, so it looks like poo, okay? But that's because this is made to mimic poo. A lot of seeds will get around.
It's doing a pretty good job at it.
It's doing a pretty good job? That is doing a pretty good job. A lot of seeds will go, and that's how they move from one place to another, is through the digestive tract of an animal. So, we've got seed bombs. Today is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. What you do with these is you let them dry out a little bit, and then you can throw them somewhere where there's gonna be a little bit of water, and you just throw them out there, and the clay and the soil will help, and the clay will help hold in the water. The soil will help kind of fertilize that. The compost will fertilize that, and then those seeds will grow from whatever crazy plants you harvested and now have stuck all over your fingers. Seed bombs. All right, so thank you, Charlotte. We are Mr. Dave and Charlotte from the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History. Make sure you like and subscribe, and hold them up, wash your hands.